Hello, my name is Henry Chase, and in today's training session we will show you how to set up your defaults within the software. This should be done prior to tax season. This can help to speed up tax preparation, eliminate some of the keystrokes, and what you would actually be doing is just programming the software to fill in fields within the software that are going to be the same on the majority of your tax returns, and adding forms to the tax software that would be involved in tax preparation on most of your tax returns. So to set your defaults, you will log in as the administrator. After you log in as the administrator, you go to Tools, Edit Tax Form Defaults. We're going to go over the defaults in the 1040 package, which is highlighted. We'll click OK. And this message here tells you that once you set your defaults, these defaults will apply to any tax returns that are created after we complete these defaults. Okay, on the defaults, what you would do, the first thing you would do is add the forms that you would need. So you would add an 8879. You just go up to the form tree, click on Add, type in 8879, and you will pull in an 8879. Price sheet, click on Add a Form, type in Price in the search window, and pull in a price sheet. Then you will fill out the information for your price sheet. Fill out all of the prices. If you're going to charge by the form, just fill out the prices for what you're going to charge for each form. Some people charge just for a flat fee for the tax return. If you're going to charge a flat fee, just enter your flat fee. Periodically throughout the process, you just want to click on File, Save, to save any changes that you're making within the software. Then we will go to the main info sheet. On the main info sheet, we will scroll down, and if you're going to be in a state where you are filing state returns, just click into the boxes and select the states that you're going to use the most often. If you're in a state where you do not file a lot of state returns, just click here, and it won't automatically pull in any state software for you then as you're preparing tax returns. If you need a state, you can just add a state. If you're offering bank products in your office, you are going to go ahead and select the bank that you use the majority of the time. So you select bank products, and we use TPG, and it will automatically load the forms for TPG, so that when we start a tax return, the forms will automatically be included in that tax return, so that we don't have to go in and manually add them every tax return. Okay, you go down to the section for the self-select practitioner PIN. Go ahead and enter your PIN number that you use on all your tax returns. It could be the same number on all tax returns, because this number goes along with your client's Social Security number and your EFIN number to create a unique PIN for that individual tax return. So we just like to use 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then you select this box for the ERO PIN, and then you will select the box for the tax return. Then you go down and you will select this box for our authorize, and that's saying that the taxpayer has authorized you to enter a PIN for them, and type in that same PIN, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then you will go down to the third party designee, type in the word preparer, or if you have multiple people in your office, just type in the name of that preparer each prepare and save it. Type in the telephone number and the PIN number. That gives you permission to call the IRS and speak to them concerning this tax return. Type in your ID, your name, PTIN number, your firm name, address, your EIN number, and your phone number. After you enter all this information, go ahead and do a file save. Save return. Okay, now we're going to the 8879. You type in your EIFN number, then you will go down and you would this information is flowing from the main info, so we'll go down to this information here. We'll type in the ERO ID, the PTIN number, your name, firm name, address, zip code. It'll pull in the city and the state, EIN number, and your telephone number, and check these boxes if they apply. Then you would do a file save, return again. Now you will go to the bank use sheet and enter the PIN for the taxpayer. What you're doing is saving keystrokes. You go to the bank disclosure sheet, and if they want a bank product, they have to consent to the disclosure for purpose for 1 and 2. So you go ahead and check these boxes. Then you would enter the PIN number. Just use the same PIN number. Okay. Now you go to the Santa Barbara app and enter the information that would apply to all tax returns. I don't do fraudulent returns, so we'll check that box as no. We collect Social Security cards from all our clients, so we will check that box. Whenever you do a bank product, they have to have a valid ID, so you can check this box. And that's all that you could do on the bank product application for now. You do a file save. Okay, and now your tax defaults have been set within the software, so then you just click on close return. And this actually speeds up tax prep because all the information that we entered into the defaults will automatically populate on all of the tax returns once you start a tax return. So I want to thank you again for attending today's training session. My name is Henry Chase with CTS Tax Software. If you have any questions, give us a call toll free 866-540-1391. That's 866-540-1391.